Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel. Today we are gonna dive into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. Now rumor has it this one is pretty hard to blend. I have not used it myself yet, so we're just gonna try it out and see how it goes. We're just gonna do a cute little matte look using these shades. So buckle your seatbelts and let's dive in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take Dawn all across my lids. That shade was a little orangier than I was expecting, but it works. It works. I'm going to do a little transition with the shade Roxy. Do a fun little pink moment in here. Next, I'm going to go into the crease with the shade Destiny, right there. I'm going to use my same brush. I'm doing as many shades as I can with the brush that comes with it, just for those of you that don't have an extensive collection like I do. It makes it a little easier to follow along. I'm using the same brush. Y'all see that fallout there? Huh. Yeah. Take fan brush. Ooh, that's some stubborn fallout. Okay. Yikes. Okay, we're going to take a blending brush and blend it all together. Next, we're going to take the packing brush side and we're going to dip into the shade Edge and put that on the lid. Okay, next I'm going to take that same end of the brush after cleaning it off, and we're going to go back into Destiny underneath the eye. Then we give our doggy a kiss. This is Rambo. Rambo, say hi. He's my boy. Are you my boy? He's a good boy. Okay, then also for under the eye, we're going to take our transition shade of Roxy, and we're going to put that on the outside of the shade Destiny underneath the eye. Brighten that up just a smidge. Okay, I think next I'm going to take the shade Electric. It's the sparkly shade in the palette here, and I think I'm going to put that on my inner corners. I'm going to use a brush. You can use your finger. I'm gonna go in with my finger. Much better. Okay, that's it for the eyeshadow portion. Here's what the blend looks like. A little bit underneath. I'm gonna try to see if my Tartist brown liquid liner is gonna work. I tried it once and it started out working just fine. And then it just dried up, like instantly. Like it got clogged up with eyeshadow. And like, shouldn't a liner be pulled up against eyeshadow? I don't know. We're gonna try it. I have another brown liner if this one doesn't work. Alright, it worked for one eye, so let's try the other. Yay, it worked. Got cute little brown wings. I'm actually going to take the pencil side of this to do my waterline. Hopefully it works. actually looking pretty cute. She just needs mascara. I'm going to be using my Benefit They're Real mascara, and for this one, I like to have a lash primer on underneath it. I don't normally wear lash primer, except with my brown mascara. I feel like it just helps it stick to my lashes and not transfer so much. So. Alright, now for highlights. For highlight, I'm going to do my Becca highlighter in Opal. This little guy. Take a little brush, put it on under my brows. And then my Morphe M510 for the cheekbones. Now I'm actually going to top that with my Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Money Honey. We're going to use our fingertips. Look at that. Oh, sickening. Yes. Here we go. There, now you can see. Yes. Yes, honey. Let's see, for lips, I think what would look good with this look is like a shade sort of like Celebrity Skin by Jeffree Star, where it's like a deeper nude, or what is this? So Me by MAC would be cute, or like a brown nude, or I think maybe a pink sort of like the shade Roxy would be cute too. But we could also do Karma by Jeffree Star and just have fun with it. Okay, so I'm gonna take Karma, which is very similar to the shade Destiny that's on my eyes. I'm gonna put Karma on my lips because why not? So here it is. Don't mind my greasy hair. I gotta wash it tonight. Alright, all of this done with the Anastasia Subculture palette with Jeffree Star's Karma on the lips. That is all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel before you go. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.